What's up, guys? As you can see, my car has been finished, but I forgot to record an intro on these videos, so here goes. Today we're gonna tackle these door handle gaskets as well as the grommet for the antenna. These are pretty simple, so it's gonna be a nice quick videos. You know, once again, if you got any questions, just leave them in the comments. Okay, and I have to apologize for noise, but my neighbor decided to do some landscaping and it usually takes him forever. I can't wait that long. But we're gonna start with undoing this plug here. And I'm just gonna use this small flat screwdriver. Okay, success. Okay, so this next step is going to be a little tricky. It's going to be a little tricky to show you, because what I'm going to have to do is, you know, there's like a little slider latch type of mechanism that you know, that holds that door handle frame in place. So what you have to do is you have to press on it, and you know, when you press it, you know, it unlocks that frame, and then you can replace the gasket. It's really hard for me to show you the inside, but nevertheless, I'll explain how the mechanism works. So actually I found that it's the easiest for me was to use this prying tool to push on it. I'll actually use my cell phone for lighting. Again, it's going to be really hard for me to see. Okay, it's pushed in, now I can remove the handle. So now this handle is unlocked, and see how this frame is kind of loose. Okay, it's gonna be hard for you to just straight out remove it. So you can lightly pry on it. So I'm gonna use this little screwdriver. Just prying it like right here. Just like that. So again, nothing complicated. Just for a good measure, I'm gonna clean this real quick. Alright, so now we're gonna take this and make sure that these holes here in this gasket, these small holes, just make sure they line up with these posts, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Just push it in. That's it. Now we're ready to install. Okay, so before we go ahead and reinstall this door handle frame, obviously I'm going to clean this up a bit, but we're going to need to pull this little latch back. You know, we pushed it this way towards the front, now we're going to have to pull it back once the frame is on, and for that, you know, I just made a little makeshift tool. You know, if you have some kind of hooking tool, that would work best. But if you don't, you can just grab an old clothes hanger and just make a little hook at the end. and you can use that to pull on that latch. So watch this. Okay, now we can go ahead and reinstall this door handle frame. Just like this. Now I'm gonna pull back on that latch. Okay, now that the new gasket is installed, all I have to do is put this plastic plug back in. And we're done. Alright, once again, you know, if you're enjoying these videos, I'll keep putting them out. It would be really nice if you just, you know, give me some of your likes, subscribe to my channel, and maybe grab some merch that I have listed down in the description below. Alright, I decided to actually make a little bonus video for you because, you know, let's face it, changing those door handle and gasket is a pretty easy job. There's another small upgrade that everybody should do. It's this little grommet, and it goes in this rear antenna. So what happens is, over the years, the grommet that's on here gets, you know, starts to crack, and it starts letting in water that collects right here. Okay, and then of course you can run into rust issues and all that. You know, water in the trunk. You know, actually, like, I don't know if you can see, but I have a huge crack here. So, and yeah, I did have water in this corner. So we're gonna replace it. First and foremost, I'm gonna remove this antenna. So here I have a very cracked part. See, it's coming out in small pieces. Be careful not to scratch the paint when you do this. Alright, so again, we're sliding this part over here. And I'm just gonna spray it with some soapy water. Okay, that's better. See, what you can do is you can support the antenna from underneath. Just like that. Then I would actually screw in the antenna. Actually, if you have these plastic interior tools that I told you about, they're gonna help you prevent the scratches on your paint. And there you have it. Now I shouldn't have any more leaks in my trunk, and this took me all but, I don't know, 2 minutes. Take care.